Do not throw your broken trapper back in the trash ever again. Today, I will teach you a simple way to repair it at home. And the best of all is that you will save money on having to buy a new one. So we will also help the environment by reusing it. Pay attention, because I will teach you 2 ways to repair your trapper in case the stick breaks in different places. The only thing we will need to repair our broken trapper is a plastic bottle and some screws. If the trapper broke in this part, the first thing we will do is measure the level where it broke and cut the top of the plastic bottle at this distance, just as I show you on the screen. Once we have cut it, we will make several holes around the plastic bottle already cut. We heat the tip of a screwdriver or some other tool that is useful to you for this. In my case, I am using a hot welder. Now we start to open the holes. I invite you to send this information to someone who could be of help. If the stick is very thick and does not fit in the mouth of the bottle, then with the help of a knife, try to take it to measure. Next, we will place the cut of the plastic bottle inside the trapper. We will tie the trapper to the holes we made previously in the plastic. Now I would like to know until what place in the world my videos are coming. That way I will send you a greeting in our next video. Today's special greeting goes to Yuli Ars from Colombia and to Lynette Solano from Panama. When we have entered some of the parts of the trapper through the holes, we will make some knots to make it well secured. It should look like this. Next, I will show you how to secure the broken stick. For this, we will need 2 screws. First, we enter the stick in the mouth of the plastic bottle. What we will do is place a screw in this place. The second screw will be placed on the other side, and so it should be. You already have your trapper repaired and with a very nice look. The best of all is that doing this repair is very economical. Now I will show you how we can repair a stick when it breaks in half. This applies to both the trapper stick and a broomstick. To make this repair, all we need is a plastic bottle and some screws. We cut the ends of the plastic bottle and we will use this part. Then we open with a single cut. We take the stick that broke in half and wrap it with the plastic bottle as I show you below. The next thing will be to secure with about 3 screws. Then we turn on the stove fire. If you have a heater or blower, you can use it. In my case, I am using the stove. Then we place the stick with the plastic part already wrapped, and we heat it slowly until the plastic adheres to the stick. You will realize that the way this will reinforce your stick is as if it had not broken before. It will be so strong and fitted that there will be no play in it. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase, "I will not throw away my trapper again." That way I'll know you saw all the content.